Hey everyone, my name is Alex, and here I'm showing you how to find profitable crypto wallets and automatically copy their trades. Now I'm going to tell you about the world's first service that allows you to professionally find the most profitable trading crypto wallets. No more sifting through 1,000 wallets by hand, looking for coins and trading. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial, investment, or trading advice. All you need to do is go to this website, create a filter, pick out the most profitable wallets of snipers, traders, and investors, and automatically copy their trades using a bot. I have been testing this service, and here's my results. I gained 1,500% ROI, almost $5,000, by following sniper wallets. For those unaware, snipers buy coins at launch. They sell for huge profits. That's where big crypto money is made. And then they sell it for a profit of hundreds or even thousands of percent. That's where the biggest money is made in crypto. For the test, I picked 8 sniper wallets that rarely trade but occasionally catch profitable coins. Here's an example of such a wallet. As we can see, the wallet is profitable over the long run. In the last 3 months, the wallet made $41,000. And if we had followed this wallet from the very beginning, we would have made $14,000. And here are the latest trades of the wallet. On December 4th, the wallet made $4,500 or 1,500% ROI, investing $376. He had 2 purchases on $121 and $153 and 3 sales. The wallet got in at the 0 minute of the token's life and exited at the 11th, 16th, and 17th minutes. We can take a look at how it looked on the chart. Here's how it looked on the chart. $6,000 in 11 minutes. That's a good wallet, very interesting. $6,000, 11 minutes. This is the kind of wallet I call good, really interesting. $10,000 in profit. This is a good sniper. He makes rare trades but takes home big profits. More details about my results, as well as a link to the service in my Telegram channel. Subscribe if you're interested in this topic. So, now I'm going to show you how to find profitable sniper wallets. We can see that there are almost 4.5 million wallets in the service. So how do we find the wallets of profitable snipers? To do this, we'll use the wallet filter. Let's open the wallet filter and click on Add New Filter. Filter Snipers. So, we'll need the total ROI filter. ROI is just profit in percentage. Let's take the ROI for the year, for the last 3 months, and for the last month. Let's set the ROI for the year to be at least 600%, for 3 months at least 300%, and for 1 month at least 200%. We'll also need half of the total ROI for the year, 3 months, and 1 month. Here, let's set the values a bit lower, 400, 300, 200. But ROI is profit in percentages, and we need it in absolute values. So, let's set our profit for the year to be at least $10,000, and for the last month, at least $1,000. Since these are snipers, they invest in new coins. There's a lot of scams in new coins, so it's important for us to cut out the scammy coins. To do this, apply Scam Trades filter. Let's set the maximum for the original wallet to have 10% scam coins over the year. It's important the wallet has multiple trades. Use the Total Trades filter. Consider total trades over 6 months and 1 month, ensuring 6 trades in 6 months and 1 in the last month. Also, since these are snipers, they invest in coins right after they launch. To find exactly those wallets, we'll use the median coin lifetime filter. So, that's the average lifetime of the coins that the wallet invests in, and the maximum will be 3 minutes. And we'll also add the closed trades filter, which means the percentage of closed trades, so that at least 70% of all the wallet's trades over the year are closed. Applying the filter. Out of 4.5 million wallets, we only have 25 left. Let's sort them by following profit. Let's check the first wallet. He has a balance of $310,000, of which $170,000 is in Ethereum. Now, let's take a look at the chart. The wallet made $308,000, and if we had followed it, we would have made $137,000. Alright. Let's take a look at the latest trades. On December 14th, he invested $2,000 in the coin Crazy N, made a 113% ROI, which is $2,000. This isn't a very interesting trade. There are also negative trades. There are also scammy trades. Now this one is way more interesting. On November 3rd, he invested $6,000, made $285,000, almost 5% ROI. Another trade. It's already a sniper trade. In the first minute of the coin's life, he invested $245 and pulled out 8,000% or $23,000 on the coin Janet. So, you can check on Dex Screener how he bought here and how much he sold on the coin. There are also scammy trades, and those are marked with a red cross. But overall, he's in a huge profit. What do we do after we've found a profitable crypto wallet? After that, we need to copy his trades. How do we do that? With the help of a crypto trading bot. Here we see the wallet address, we need to copy it. Save it, and then we move on to the crypto trading bot. I already have 8 bots added here. One bot follows one wallet. I'll show you how to add a new bot. We click on Add Trading Bot. Here, you can either import an existing wallet or create a new wallet that the bot will use to trade on a decentralized exchange. We click on Generate Wallet. And the new wallet is created, and the keys are immediately provided. We click to copy the wallet data and save it for ourselves. Next, we come up with a name for the wallet and click Next. I already have a bot set up, so I'll show you how I configure a bot to follow the snipers. This is the name of our bot. Next, we set up which wallet we want to follow. We go here, copy the wallet address, and paste it into this field. We specify the name of the wallet we are following. Let's move on to setting up the purchase. We turn on Copy Buy so that we can automatically copy the trades of the original wallet. We turn on Protection against mech bots. We turn on Dub Buy if we want our bot to be able to buy more than once. Next, the number of retries in case of an error. It's better to set it to 10, by percentage. This is the percentage of the original wallet that we want to buy. Here, I'm setting it to 100% and just limiting the minimum and maximum amount of ethers. So, I set the minimum purchase for one trade to 0.07 ether or $238. And I've also limited the maximum additional purchase in one trade to 0.07 ether. The maximum number of times you can buy more in one trade. I have 1. We turn on Copy Gas from the original wallet and set the gas delta to 10 Gwei. In general, for sniping, the bigger the gas delta, the better. But of course, we have to pay for this gas with our ether. It's better to set a pretty high slippage when sniping. I set it to 90% because the price of new coins can change by a huge percentage in just one block. Next, I set the coin lifetime to 360 minutes or 6 hours. I buy coins that are no more than 6 hours old since we're into sniping. So, the maximum fee for buying and selling is 40% because when sniping, there can often be high fees in the first few minutes. We enable Approve so the bot can sell your token, set retry times to 3, and gas delta to 1 way. Setting up the sale. We copy the sale from the original wallet. Auto sell. We turn it on if we want to set up take profit, stop loss, time fix. Turn on N-Time-F to protect from MEV bots. The number of retries in case of an error is 10 times. We copy the gas from the original wallet. Let's leave 10 GBA for sale. And here are my take profits. I'm an optimist. I believe I can catch gems, so I have a pretty high take profit. You can set stop losses, but I don't because in sniping, the price fluctuates a lot and it might just hit the stop loss, and then the coin could shoot up. Basically, those are all the settings for snipers. We click Save and move on to the bot. Here we see our bot's wallet. The original wallet. This is the address of our wallet. This is the wallet address we're following. So, here we have open trades. Closed trades. So, here I have a trade. I made $2,000 or almost 2,000 ROI by investing $173. Next, we copy the wallet address and send the ethers here. So, we need to top up the ethers. I'm topping up with $1,000 and it's from this ether that the bot will trade. That's it, the bot is set up and now we just wait for the trades. In sniping, it's really important to be patient because 1 month might go by without a single trade and then in just a week, you could have 3 super successful trades. And that's all. If you're interested in the topic of finding profitable crypto wallets, then give this a like and subscribe to the channel. In the next videos, I'll explain how to find the wallets of profitable traders and how to set up the bot for copying trades. Just a reminder, the link to this service is in my Telegram channel. Thanks everyone, and happy hunting for profitable wallets.